All right, so I'm going to show now are some transformation tools or transform tools. And those are under the object dropdown. You'll see there's transform. And this allows you to move, rotate, reflect, scale, or shear. So I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm just going to show you a couple, especially the reflect one, which is going to be used here. But the move is pretty self-explanatory. You pick on move, and you can move it to a new position and copy it if you wish. I prefer to just use this to move it around. Okay. Probably another tool that you might use under transform would be rotate. So that lets you rotate by an angle. So if I was to do 45, you can make a copy of it and it would rotate it. But we're going to use the reflect. And when I hit reflect, what it does is it changes the shape. So it kind of flips it. In this case, it flipped it vertically, but I actually want to flip it horizontally. And you can change the angle that you want to reflect it. It's showing you a preview here, but if I click OK, then I've just flipped this one, but I want to copy it. So when you copy it, what it does, it leaves the original one. So now I can move this one and we can align that one up with that. So now I've got both sides of the headstock of my guitar and they're the same shape. Now again, I don't really care that it's not perfect on the background because we're just using this to create a 2D shape of our object. The other transform tool is the scale tool. So if I wanted to, I could pick both objects or one object, go to transform and use the scale tool, and you can scale it by 50% or 150 if you want it to go larger. Okay, and we're not going to do that.